What's the meaning of Castle Howard? Castle Howard. Castle Howard.
Castle Howard. Castle Howard. Castle Howard is a stately home located in North Yorkshire, England. It was built over a period of 100 years, starting in 1699 and ending in 1811. The house has 145 rooms, including a chapel, library, and a grand gallery. Castle Howard is set in over 1,000 acres of landscaped gardens and parkland, which include a large lake, fountains, temples, and statues. The house and gardens are open to the public, attracting visitors from all over the world. It has also been used as a filming location for several movies and TV shows.